Hello, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we're going to take you with us on our Vegas staycation to the New York Hotel and Casino. We stayed in the Soho Premier King View room. All of these rooms have been remodeled and it was really nice. So you walk in, you have this mural on the wall, and then you have your standard Vegas floor-to-ceiling mirror so that you can check out your outfit. The wood flooring instead of carpet gives it a nice, clean, modern look. On this piece here, you'll find your ice bucket, a couple of drawers for storage, and they actually had an empty mini fridge, which is a nice touch. If you've ever stayed in a Vegas hotel without one, you really appreciate having one. Next to that, you have your king bed and 2 side tables. The bed was actually very comfortable. Through these very, very large windows with some great views of Las Vegas. Here you can see the Excalibur and the Luxor kind of peeking up above that. Then you have the Tropicana, the MGM Grand. In between the 2 huge windows, you have a table, a chair, a lamp, and a sofa. And then more of that Soho loft furniture. So instead of a traditional closet, this is where you're gonna put everything. The room is very nice, but this view is definitely the star of the show. Next, we headed down to the pool. The hours posted say 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., but when I asked while we were down there, they said the pool closes at 7, so I guess it's a little bit longer in the summertime. They do have a full bar where you could purchase drinks as well as a free water station. Not a lot of shade at the pool area, so come early if you want to get a shady spot. After swimming, we were really hungry, so we headed to Chin Chin, which is a restaurant we've never been to, but it was right down at the bottom of the elevators to our room, so we decided to check it out. And we were really glad that we did. Here's a look at the menu, but as always, we'll have the information linked in the description box with the pool, the room, and the restaurant. Tables are really nice too. What would you call that? Onyx?
Yeah. It's very nice. And look, they put on the ends of them.
That's nice, yeah. Got the game on. You excited?
I am. We've never tried this place before.
No.
We've been to New York quite a few times, and this is the first time we've actually tried this place. I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's like something new and it's adventurous.
Exactly. Yeah. Something called the Chin Chin, what is it, gin and tonic?
Chin Chin Gin and Tonic.
And their house chicken salad, so sounds really good. And we're hungry after swimming.
And I got boring orange chicken, but I like it, so
yep.
There we go.
All right, we got our first course, the wonton stars. Yum.
Presentation's very nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Very good, super crunchy. Sweet and sour is tangy and sweet. Hot, crispy.
Fresh, yeah.
And then we got the Chin Chin Gin and Tonic. That looks so pretty. She said to mix it, so I will, but I wanted to get a shot of it first. What did you get to drink?
Ichiban.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers. Vegas life.
All right, yeah, my Chinese chicken salad came. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Chicken, wonton strips, rice noodles. This looks really, really good, and it smells amazing. Yeah. All right, so you got the orange chicken.
Look at that.
And the white rice.
White rice.
Yum.
So good. It's gonna be so good. I'll put some of this in here. Oh, nice rice.
Now, granted, we were really hungry from swimming and glad to be inside in the AC, but we really enjoyed our meal at Chin Chin, and we'll definitely be back. What do you think?
Tastes like mandarin orange almost with spices.
Yeah. Very
Really
yummy.
good, almost decadent.
My salad's really good too. Nice solo piece of chicken. And they're playing Bon Jovi. You can't beat it. We're living on a prayer, hun.
Very good meal.
So good. We love it here. After our dinner at Chin Chin, we decided to go hit up a coffee place that we had seen earlier. Now, there are a couple of Starbucks in the New York Hotel and Casino, but we wanted to try this one and see how it was. This is called Greenwich Village Coffee Company. They had an assortment of pastries and cakes and cookies and breakfast items, as well as a full coffee menu. They also had some pre-made salads and sandwiches and lunch items, so it's a great grab and go option. We got 2 almond milk mochas and really enjoyed them. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at the New York Hotel and Casino. It's a pretty great value, and the location is good if you don't mind being on the south end of the Strip. If you're coming for a Vegas Golden Knights game or an event that's happening at T-Mobile Arena, this is a really great option. You also have the park and Toshiba Plaza right outside, so there's so much to do. The room was more than comfortable, modern, clean. The pool was a lot of fun, and although there wasn't a lot of shade, there was tons of chairs. We really enjoyed the meal that we had at Chin Chin. Overall, we would highly recommend the New York Hotel and Casino. Let us know where you'd like us to do a Vegas staycation next. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.